Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Ashumerong vlogger and today we are back for another DIY project. Spring is here, summer is coming, so it's time to do for some gardening. And this week project is yung aming front garden. Maliit na garden in front of our house na tinataniman ko ng mga bulaklak every summer. So it's time na palitan na yung kanyang bakod. It took me 3 days para matapos yung project, so that's what I'm sharing. Hello. Hi, Daddy. We are off to Hubo. Hubo? Is that Hubo? To pick some gardening materials for our garden. So, ayun na nga, we went to this store to pick some wooden fence na nabibili mo na to dito na ready na siya, nakabuo na siya. Hindi na rin ako ng mga lupa para dun sa aking mga halaman na ito-transfer ko sa pot later. At isa sa mga bagong weakness ko ngayon kapag pumupunta ng store, kapag merong dog section, ayan, bola again for Luika. I also decided this year na pinturahan siya for extra protection. So, I picked some paint, wooden paint na panglabas, and also a new brush and yes, pangliha. So, yun lang yung mga pinamili ko for today. And actually, those are the only things I need for this project. So, uwian na. So, nilinis ko muna yung ating kahoy when I came home, but Luika has other plans. So, ayan siya. So, first what I did is niliha ko muna yung kahoy to make sure na matanggal yung mga rough edges niya. And I start painting na. And I'm using protection paint para dun sa ating kahoy. Diba? And so, ayan. Ayan na po yung ating mga pininturahan kahapon. Now is pipinturahan natin yung kabilang side niya. So, we will check. Ayan. Diba? Yung kabilang side naman ang pipinturahan natin today. So, pipinturahan natin yung kabilang side. But before that, lihaan muna natin. Pinturahan na natin siya ng both side. So, patutuyuin natin yan. And then, tomorrow, gagawin natin yung garden. Third day na tayo. Ayan. This is the final day ng ating front na project. So, simulan ko munang linisin. Tinanggal ko yung lumang bakod and dinamuhan ko na rin siya para malinis na yung aking garden bago ko man ikabit yung kanyang bagong bakod. So, sinimulan ko muna siyang ilatag actually. So, to see kung do I need adjustment with the woods. Kasi alam ko, hindi talaga siya sakto sa sukat. So, I have to do some adjustment. I have to do some dugtong. Ayan. Maiksi yung isa natin plank. Kailangan natin dugtungan. So, ayan. May binagari yung asawa ko. So, piece. Gagawin ko is, kailangan ko itong piece na to. Dali lang naman siya. So, ayan. Kailangan ko yung one piece naman to. On this side also. Ayan. And then here, madali lang natin. Actually, so, what we're trying to do is, dudukong natin siya. So, ating trabaho. You can see here. Ayan, nadugtong na natin. Wait. Ito yung ginawa kaninang dugtong. As you can see. Dahil nga, pininturahan ko to. Ayan. Ngayon, itatight lang natin to ng alambre para hindi sila gumagalaw. Same thing doon. And the other side also there. And we will do the rest. So, I'll just keep tightening the rest of the bakod using alambre. And, normally, eto na yan. Tapos na yan. Chinek ko na lang ng water pass kung pantay yung aking bakod. And then, binungkal ko uli yung lupa. And, I waited na maghapon para magtanim ng aking mga flowers for the coming summer. This is the first time na magtatanim ako ng galing sa seedlings kasi normally is bumibili lang talaga ako nung nakatubo na and then itatanim ko. But this year, I will try. Nakabili ako nung nakapacket na. So, susubukan ko yan this year. And hopefully, magkaroon ako ng mga bulaklak this coming summer. Ayan yung ating project. As you can see. Okay na siya. Now, magtatanim tayo. Tatanim tayo. Meron tayo here. This one. So, tatanim natin yan. And hopefully, on the summertime is may mga bulaklak tayo. Okay? Ayan na nga po, tapos na po yung aking front garden. I still have gardening project going on that I will be sharing to you also. So far, I'm really happy dun sa result and hoping that I will have lots of flower this coming summer. So that's it for today. I'm your Asher Merang vlogger saying bye for now and I will see you again. Bye!